Meet the MegaMaster 1-burner propane gas tabletop grill. It's convenient, compact, and powerful. With a roomy 360 inches of total cooking space, you can grill up to 17 burgers at once. The main stainless steel burner fires up instantly at the press of a button, every time, which provides 11,000 BTUs of heat. The durable porcelain enameled firebox retains heat, and the smooth surfaces make cleaning a cinch. The black powder-coated lid features a precise built-in thermometer, and the sturdy lid easily locks and legs conveniently fold away in transit for your next adventure. Built for easy transport and neat and easy storage, you can take your 1-burner gas grill tailgating or wherever your grilling takes you. There's a big world out there, so pack your MegaMaster 1-burner propane gas tabletop grill and go explore.
Manage your time effectively like a pro with the ThermoPro TM01 digital kitchen timer. With the timer's countdown function, it allows you to perfect those cookies, vegetable side dishes, or hard-boiled eggs. Our timer doubles as a clock, which can simultaneously run while a timer is active. Check on how much time is left, or adjust settings even in low-light conditions with a touch-sensitive backlight. 4 volume settings include 3 volume levels and silent mode for you to choose from to meet your specific needs when time is up. The timer easily rests on your counter or on magnetic surfaces. Find the most convenient location for your kitchen.
Here's a big idea: the Presto Kitchen Kettle XL multi-cooker steamer. Deep fry, steam, roast, boil, and more. The huge 10-quart capacity is ideal for big roasts and makes enough soup, stew, vegetables, casseroles, and pasta to feed a crowd. The tempered glass cover lets you see food as it cooks, and the large diameter is ideal for browning. Use the handy basket to fry big batches of French fries, chicken wings, donuts, and more. The basket hooks on the rim for easy draining. The multi-use basket also steams and boils seafood and veggies and is a perfect size for blanching fruits and vegetables for canning and freezing. The Control Master heat control maintains the cooking temperature automatically. A premium nonstick finish, inside and out, assures stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. And the multi-cooker, cover, and basket are fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. Perfect.